Hello, welcome. Question 23. The volume of a cone of height 18 centimeter is 8,316 centimeter cube. We are to find the base radius of the cone. We know a cone is of this structure. From here to the end is the radius. From the apex to the base is the height, which is perpendicular to the base. Now, in order to find the volume, we know the volume of a cone is actually 1/3 the volume of what? The cylinder, which is pi r what? Square h. And in that, the h is the height which has been given to us as 18 centimeter. The radius is unknown, so that's the only quantity in there we don't know. But the volume is also known as what? 8,316 equals to 1/3. The pi has been given as 22/7 times 18 times r word squared. In the spirit of that, we can see that 3 will be going here 1 and go here what? 6. So I should be having 7, which is this cross multiplication, times 8,316 equals to 22 times 6 times what? R squared. So what do? We can say that our R squared equals, by dividing by this, 7 times 8,316 divided by 22 times what? 6. Let's put that in our calculator and see, as in 7 times 8,316 divided by 22 times what? 6. And that will give you 441. R equals to the root of 441. And that will give you R equals what? 21 centimeter. Meaning the radius of this base of the cone is going to be 21. That is the A, 21 centimeters. I believe it is clear. Good. Come back for question number 24 after you like, share, and comment.